by default head behavior, it is going to print first 10 lines. First 10 lines. Got it, guys? So if you need like maybe 4 lines, otherwise some different, if you need to customize, so then provide the option -4, -n4, -n6 like that you can give. Got it, guys? Head, I hope you're clear, right? Tail is a command. Tail is a command, right? So it will print last 10 lines by default. It will print last 10 lines. Okay. It will print last 10 lines. Clear, guys? Head, it will print first 10 lines. Tail, it will print last 10 lines by default. So according to your requirement, you can customize. So we need to provide the option here, -n4. So if you're providing -n4, what will happen? Last 4 lines it will print from your file content. So like the same way, 6, 8, according to your requirement, you can. I hope you got it, guys. Head, first 10 lines by default, right? Tail, first last 10 lines by default. So according to your requirement, you can use the option -4, -n4, whatever if you want you can use. Then according to your requirement, it will print the lines from the file. Got it, guys? Head by default behavior, first 10 lines. Tail by default behavior, last 10 lines. So last 10 lines it will print, right? So now we are going to discuss about find command. Okay, find. Guys, usually in Windows, maybe you did few files long back. So you didn't remember where you're created, in which location. Got it, guys? Then how to find those file? I remember the file name, but where it got located, I don't know. So from Windows operating system, how you are going to find? With the help of search. We have search option, find option, right? So with the help of search option, we are going to provide the file name into the search, and then we are going to find the file where it got located. It is going to show you, right? Like the same way, coming to Linux, we have find option, find command. We have find command. It's a very easy. So you need to understand the syntax, then it will become easy, right? Find is a command to find the files and directory from our operating system from anywhere. Got it, guys? Find is a command to find the files and directories from our operating system from anywhere, from any location. Got it, guys? So find space, you need to provide the search location from where you need to search. From where you need to search location. For example, if you need to search from dev directory, so dev directory having the huge content, inside the dev directory we need to find one file. Okay, so you can give /dev. Okay, but I'm providing, you can give /dev, but I'm trying to providing only slash means root, entire operating system. From entire operating system we are finding. You can give any directory also, it's not a problem. So it's not like this, you need to find the files from entire operating system like that. Okay, got it, guys? I hope you're clear, right? So now we need to provide the option hyphen name is option. First, find command space search location, then option. We are searching the file with name. I hope you got it, guys. We are searching the file with name, right? Hyphen name is option, right? So now I'm trying to providing file one. Do we have file one? I think we doesn't have file one. I didn't create it, no. So I have used like snapshot, so that's why everything it got deleted. So it's searching. Let's see what will happen, whether we'll have or not. So I think there is no file one. So that's why it is not going to print anything, right? I'll do one thing. I'll create few files. If you want, you can find any file. If you want, you can find the password file. If you want, you can find the group file. Where it got located, it will show you. Got it, guys? So there is no file one. There is no file one, right? I'm trying to providing password. See how many password files we'll have. It is going to print. See, guys. In this location, we'll have one password file. In this location, we'll have one password file. Inside the etc, we'll have one password file. Here also, we'll have one password file. In bin also we'll have one password file. Here also we'll have one password file. I hope you got it right. I'll do one thing. I'm going to use touch command. I'll create few files. Then you are going to easily understand. So okay. So now I'm trying to searching file one. Okay. File one. See guys. File one it got located inside the root directory. That's it now. I have created file one inside the root user's home directory. Right? I have login as a root user. So we are into root user's home directory. What is the root user home directory? Slash root. Slash root is a root user's home directory. Inside the slash root we did file one. So we searched with help of name. Got it guys? We search the file with the help of name. If you want, you can search the directories also, it's not a problem. Got it guys? Right. So I don't know name, but I have the inode number. Right guys? I have the inode number. I need to search the file with the help of inode number. How to get the inode numbers? Usually ls-i, right? So each and every file inode number it will print. So inside the root user's home directory, we have one file called anaconda, anaconda-ks.conf, file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. What is anaconda? Huh? What is anaconda guys? Tool? No. Okay. Anaconda-ks means .cfg means configuration file. KS means kickstart. Did you remember while we are trying to installing the operating system at the time I have given the information about kickstart server. So in real-time environment, they won't allow us to install the operating system with the help of pen drive and then DVD. We need to install the operating system through network using kickstart server like that. Yes, no, right? Anaconda is a installer. Got it, guys? Anaconda is a installer in Linux. I don't know why those software organization people they are going to provide the snake names, Python, Anaconda, etc., etc. Okay, got it, guys. So Anaconda is a installer in Linux. Anaconda is a installer in Linux, right, guys? Okay, so KS means Kickstart Services. So KS means Kickstart Services. CFG means configuration file, right? Usually this anaconda-kickstart.cfg where we are going to use in the sense inside this anaconda-ks.cfg file it having our system configuration, how many partitions we did, how many users we created, right? So what type of network adapter we provided, everything you'll have in a script wise. This anaconda we are going to copy into the kickstart server with the help of http FTP servers we need to deploy. So this Anaconda we are going to copy there. So with the help of Kickstart server, we are going to install same machine into another virtual machine, same operating system with same partition into another virtual machine. That is Kickstart services. In Kickstart service, they are going to use the anaconda-ks.ch. Right, leave about that. Okay. So find is a command, then forward slash hyphen inum is option. Hyphen inum is option. So now I'm trying to providing the inode number for this file. So I'm trying to providing the inode number for this file. So let's see guys, you're going to get the anaconda-ks.ch. You can find the files with name. You can find the files with inode number. We can find the files with type also. I need only block files. Got it guys? So all the block files where it got located inside the dev directory, right? So find is a command, hyphen type is option. So first option name, second option inode number, right? Third option type. So how to find the block file with B, right? So starting letter B. So those all the block files, everything it's available into dev. So dev dm2, dm1, dm0, hr0, SDA2, SDA1, SDA. Those all block files only. No need to bother about this one. No need to bother about this one. This is error. This is output. This is error, right? Got it, guys. So if you want, you can find the character files also. How many character files will have it is going to print. Okay. -C means character files. How to find the files? D means directories. How many directories will have you are going to get. Then how to find the files? So here we should not use hyphen. We need to use F. F means file. Usually how we are finding the files with the help of hyphen only, na symbols. But coming to find command, if you need to find the files from your operating system, you need to use F. Don't use hyphen. If you're using hyphen, you are going to get the syntax error. F means files. So hit enter. How many files will have into our operating system? Everything it is going to print. So continuously you are going to get the output. How to stop this one? Control C. Control C terminate, Control Z stop. What is the difference between Control C and Control Z? You know you are going to use any key while you are trying to getting the output continuously, but we should know now what exactly is happening. Few people they are going to use Control C. Few people they are going to use Control Z. Z. Yes, no. Why? What is the difference between those both? Control C means terminate. This process permanently it is going to remove your operating system. Control Z means the process it is going to stop, but it's available into our operating system. Again, if you want, you can restart. Got it, guys? Clear? Z means it's not undo, man. I'm talking about process, okay? Clear? Control C means terminate. Terminate means permanently we are going to remove that process. So we are getting continuously output, right? That is one process, right? It's running into our operating system. The process, if you need to remove permanently from your operating system, Control C. If you need to stop, if you stop the process it's available into your operating system, but it is into stop status. We can reactivate. We can again restart. So got it. Next. I hope you're clear, guys. Type. Next. Size. With the help of size also we can find the files. Find space / means entire operating system hyphen size is an option. I need 10 KB. I am going to teach you 7th chapter user and group management concept. It's a very important. Every Saturday we'll have important session. Every Saturday. పోతే మీ సార్ రారని సాటర్డే రారా చెప్తా మీ పని. If you having AWS, if you doesn't have AWS, you should attend Linux. Okay. Got it, guys? Last time you cancelled. I cancelled. No, na. इस बैच में अभी तक कौन सा भी सेशन कैंसिल नहीं करा. इस बैच में लास्ट बैच में एक ही दिन हॉलीडे लिया था, वो भी बिकॉज ऑफ माय पर्सनल इशू. लास्ट बैच 6 o'clock बैच, ओनली वन डे. टोटल 35 days में एक ही दिन हॉलीडे लिया था. एंड होपफुली यहाँ पे कुछ हॉलीडे नहीं आना बोल के भगवान से है ना पूछो, राइट? Got it, guys? So plus 10K. 10K means more than 10 KB files. Tomorrow same time, same faculty, right? Same class, same link. Right, guys? Elections कहाँ पे? हैदराबाद में. So more than 10 KB files you are going to get. So less than 10 KB file minus, less than means minus. See, guys, how many less than 10 KB files will have? See, right? Control C to stop, terminate, right? Find is a command / hyphen user. particular user related files, means so and so user, how many files that is going to access we can find. For example, we have a user called student, right? Student user accessible files we can print. Those are all the files student user it can. Got it, guys? Like the same way we have group. Guys, remember, while you are trying to creating the user account, anyway I'll teach you tomorrow. While we are trying to creating the user account, automatically one group also it is to create. We have a user called student, right? Means we have a group called student, that is a primary group for student user. Each and every user, for example, if I'm trying to creating one user called Chunno, automatically one group it is going to create called Chunno, that is a primary group of that particular Chunno user. I hope you got it, guys. Clear? So remember, while you are trying to creating the user account, by default one group also it is going to create, that is a primary group for that particular user. Anyway, tomorrow I'll show you practically, don't worry. So now I'm trying to providing username, group name student, means student user will have, means student group also will have by default. Then this is student group related information, means student group it can access those all the files. Got it, guys? Clear? What is user, what is group, tomorrow we'll discuss, don't worry. Remember, while you're trying to creating the user account, automatically one group it is going to create, that is a primary group for that particular user. Clear? Right, this is all about find command, guys. Okay, clear? Why 3 hours? पूछे तो क्या कि क्लास नहीं चाहिए बोल के पूछेंगे, अगर चाहिए तो ये 3-4 घंटे ले लो बोल के बोल रहे हैं. आई हैव सम अदर क्लास ना, हाउ आई कैन take 3 hours, it's not a problem. Okay, so don't worry, 1.5 hour is more than enough. Hardly I'll take 15 minutes more, that's it. 15 minutes ज्यादा लूंगा उतना ही. हाँ? Right, so got it, guys? This is all about filter commands. Those filter commands frequently we are going to use. Now we are going to start a new topic that is called man command. Man, 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 not to man. Got it, guys? Man is a command. Man stands for manual pager, manual page. Man stands for manual page, right? Got it, guys? So got it? That's it now. System administrator executable command, and we have the short description also here. See, don't worry, I will teach you about TextFS underscore ProFS while we are discussing about disk management at the time. Just try to understand how we need to get. Will have good. So portable document file, PDF means, like the same way in Linux we have .ps file. Got it, guys? Clear? Right. So now, how to open this file? Huh? VIM editor. VIM, then what happened? Read. Can we read that file content? This is not a human readable format, right? Then how? She said cat, right? What is this? Guys, really you are doing IT courses, right? Yes, no?
Guys, think like as a human. Guys, remember one small suggestion for you. We are humans. We need to gain the knowledge. We should not train like cats. You're not animals, right? Animals, they are going to get the training. Humans, they are going to gain the knowledge. Think less command. No. I said clearly in Windows you are going to use PDF like the same way PS file you are going to use Linux, right? In Windows, are you going to open the PDF file with the help of Notepad? Yes? Who said yes, ma? Yes, guys. Can we open the file with the help of Notepad? PDF file ni open cheyocha Notepad to. No, right? Then how you are going to open the PS file with the help of VM editor? I said Notepad, na VM editor. I don't know really what you are doing, huh? Events is a command. How will have the PDF reader into Windows like the